Hello olders, welcome back to Prerna Benefit TV. If you come first time my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button and share with your video with your friends. Age 465k enough for retirement, Prerna Benefit TV. Can you really retire comfortably with just 4065k dollar? A major debate exploded after President Donald Trump claimed young Americans could become rich in retirement with that amount saved by age 65. But financial experts are warning that the reality may be a very different. In this video, you will discover why retirement costs are rising fast, what experts actually recommend, and whether 465k is enough to survive retirement today. Where the 4065k dollar number came from, President Donald Trump recently signed an executive order focused on expanding retirement saving opportunity for workers without employer retirement plan. During discussion about the program, he suggests that younger workers could potentially accumulate around 4065k dollar by age 65 under certain saving conditions. The proposal included personal contribution combined with a possible federal machine program designed to help increase long-term retirement saving over time. Why experts disagree? Many financial experts immediately question whether 4065k dollar could realistically support a comfortable retirement, reaching housing costs, healthcare expenses, inflation, and longer life expectancy are making retirement much more expensive than previous generation expected. While having nearly half a million dollars saved is better than what many Americans currently having, experts argue it may still fall far short of long-term retirement needs for most households today. The biggest retirement problem, according to retirement specialists, access to retirement account is not the only challenge Americans face. Many low-income and middle-class workers struggle simply to save money consistently after paying for rent, groceries, transportation, healthcare, childcare, and other basic living expenses. Even when retirement plans are available, millions of families find it difficult to contribute enough money regularly to build substantial retirement saving over decades. The savers match uncertainly. Part of the projected 4065k dollar retirement estimate rely heavily on a federal saving incentive called the Saver Match. Experts point out that this program may not be guaranteed permanently because future administration or Congress could change eligibility rule, reduce funding, or eliminate the program entirely. That uncertainty make it difficult for younger workers to full depend on projected retirement balance based on government incentive alone. The magic number keeps rising. Surveys show Americans now believe they need much more money for retirement than in previous year. Some recent studies suggest the average person believes approximately $1.46 million is needed for a comfortable retirement lifestyle. That number has risen sharply become because inflation, healthcare costs, and concern about Social Security continue increasing compared with that estimate. 4065k dollar appears much smaller than the many experts recommend for long-term retirement security. Why retirement costs are increasing? Retirement today looks very different than it did decades ago. People are living longer, which means retirement saving must last 20, 30, or even 40 years. Healthcare costs, long term care expenses are also climbing rapidly. Housing costs remain high in many areas. While inflation continues increasing everyday prices, all these factors make retirement planning much more complicated and expensive for future retirees across America. Social Security uncertainty adds pressure. Another major concern involves the future of Social Security. Experts warn the program could face funding challenges in the next decade if lawmakers fail to make changes. While benefits are expected to continue, future retiree worry possible reduction or slower growth could place even more pressure on personal saving account. Because of this uncertainty, many financial planners recommend building stronger independent retirement saving whenever possible. Why one number does not fit everyone? Financial planners say there is no universal retirement saving target that work for every person. Retirement needs vary depending on lifestyle choice, healthcare condition, family responsibilities, housing situation, and geographic location. Someone living in a low cost area many retiree comfortably with much less money, while retiree living in expensive city may require significantly larger saving to maintain financial stability throughout retirement years. What really matters in retirement planning? Experts often say retirement success depends less in one magical number and more on having a strong financial strategy. Consistent saving, reducing debt, controlling expenses, delaying retirement when possible, and investing wisely over time can all improve retirement social security. Building multiple income sources, including social security, retirement account, pension, and investing, may provide much stronger long-term financial protection than relying on one saving balance alone. What younger workers should learn? For younger Americans, the biggest lesson may be starting early. Even a small contribution made consistently over decades can grow significantly through compound interest. Waiting too long to save often makes retirement planning much harder later in life. Experts encourage younger workers to focus on steady saving habit, employer retirement matches, emergency fund, and long-term investing instead of relying entirely on future government program or projection. While 4,065 dollars in retirement saving may sound like a large amount, many experts believe it may not provide enough financial security for decades of retirement living, rising costs, inflation, healthcare expenses, and social security uncertainty continue reshaping retirement planning across America. The most important step is building a flexible, long-term strategy early because retirement success depends not only on how much you save, but how prepared you are for the